Today I want to share with you my mango trees. The reason I have such a personal connection to these trees is I grew them all from seed. Several months ago, all this was green grass, a back lawn. All I had was these mango pots starting to germinate. And now, several months later, I have over 40 different fruits and vegetables here in my food forest. It's been a journey. Last year in 2022, I lost pretty much $100,000 in savings and investments, all while trying to start a new business. Being able to come out here every day and see new growth, whether it's leaves, stems, seeds, it's really what kept me going. My journey has just begun. Several months ago, I knew next to nothing about gardening and permaculture. So join me, and together we can learn how to grow all types of plants, fruits, and vegetables, and we can do it together.